What's up, guys, and welcome back. Today I'm joined with Thomas.
Check out my channel if you like tech, link below.
It is a tech channel. He is about to get 100 subscribers. Please check it out, because there will probably be a giveaway soon.
And we're going to be doing more collabs in the future.
A lot of them. Anyway, today we will be trying lean cuisine.
We're doing another food review.
It is what people eat when they want to be healthy, but want to still eat, unhealthy foods. We will be trying 5 cheese rigatoni and chicken fettuccine. Now, what are your first glances about the food?
It looks like it looks like it's made in a factory.
It doesn't look fantastic.
Gordon Ramsay would say it's
bloody disgusting.
It looks like a dehydrated turd. It looks like a can of dog food.
Okay, now, let's start with the fettuccine. No, let's start with the rigatoni. I can see a lot of cheese and sauce, and I don't want to get it on the shirt, so.
That's chewy.
Oh, man.
Overcooked. Not our fault. We followed the box instructions.
We followed the exact box instructions, and the noodles are incredibly chewy. Honestly, it tastes kind of like you're eating boiled rubber bands.
In all honesty, it's about as rubbery as Gandhi's sandal.
Yeah. Check out TDV Productions to see how we made this drink, by the way. Link in bio. Anyway, let's taste this sauce.
It's pretty good. It's not great. It's not. Tastes canned.
It tastes like they took powdered Parmesan cheese and mixed it into the sauce. That's what it tastes like. And they didn't pull it off.
Whoa, don't be hating on my powdered Parmesan cheese. And that stuff is bomb.
Oh. I started the fettuccine.
Okay, let's taste it.
Doesn't taste like much of anything. That is bland.
It tastes like plain noodles.
Ugh. Try some chicken.
I think chicken's decent.
Right.
I mean, it's not great.
Chicken reminds me of TV dinner, the ones you heat up in like little pouches with the corn that always falls in the chocolate pudding. With the chicken, that's what it reminds. Ugh, that is not good chicken. I do not like that chicken.
It's not good, but it's not disgusting.
Now, I'm gonna give these noodles another try because maybe get more sauce. I'm definitely not eating that chicken.
Fettuccine noodle is way better though.
The noodle is much more cooked perfectly. I cannot taste any sauce.
Really, Nestle, you own billions of dollars of water plantations, and you can't make a bloody frozen pasta.
It frankly doesn't taste good. Neither of these. Okay, the rigatoni has slight flavor. Like you can taste, it's something. But this just isn't good. Like, it tastes like nothing. Honestly, if you want to make some good pasta that's healthier than this, check out my pasta video. Which
link is in the cards on your right top corner.
Now.
But don't click on it until you watch this entire video.
Please.
What if we mix the sauce? The good noodle with the good sauce.
The good noodle with the good sauce. Let's give that a try.
It's not bad.
A little better.
Not bad.
I keep eating
I keep eating because I'm hungry.
I keep eating the red one. I cannot eat. I just really do not like the white one. Okay, what would you rate it out of 10?
The red one? Okay, presentation-wise, since I did that, the plating, 11 out of 10. But actual food-wise, okay, the noodle's chewy, but the sauce is decent, so like a 6.
Yeah, for frozen pastas, I'll give it a 6. This white one, all around, I'm going to have to give it a 2.
Okay, the white one looks better.
It looks better.
But it does not taste bad. I'll give it a 3 because it's edible.
There's no...
It doesn't taste bad. It just tastes like nothing.
Look on the box. Look at that. You can see all these little green parsley bits.
Where's the parsley? Oh, I see like, there's one. I found one.
There was one piece. I can see one. There was like one piece of parsley on each of our servings. Not a good thing. Hold on. Nestle owns this?
Didn't you hear my joke about them owning all the water?
They're... no wonder. They're literally a bloody chocolate company. And they're making healthy, lean cuisine.
Okay, so the outtake of this video is chocolate companies who also make water. Okay. The outtake of this video is the chocolate companies that also produce water should not also try to make frozen pasta.
It should not be trusted. This says new and improved. No, it's not. It needs to be improved much better. I personally challenge Lean Cuisine to a rigatoni 5-cheese cook-off. Actually, I think I will do a video of that. I will have to use 5 cheeses and make a better rigatoni than they can. This... disappointed.
I'm gonna be honest. Okay, they have star food scientists and they make this junk. But then if you think about it, what can you expect in 310 calories?
It's not that much.
I guess that's like a potato.
I'd rather eat a boiled potato. Boiled potatoes are good. For a balanced menu, enjoy with a piece of fruit or side salad. Oh, so...
that's what we were missing.
We could have gone to the store and just took the strawberry off a strawberry cake, and it would just be perfect. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video.
Leave a comment whether you're gonna try this or not.
And if you do, tag me on Instagram if you tried this food and tell me what you thought of it. Check out Thomas's channel in the description. And please like and hit the bell. We are so close to 200 subscribers.
Get her in 200.
We have...
just do it. It's not that hard. Hit that subscribe
It doesn't
button.
do anything for you, but it helps me. We have about 13 more subscribers, I think.
It does something for you. It gets them awesome videos in their feed.
Every single
Time
week.
you decide to post.
I will see you later. Goodbye.
Bye. Adios, amigos.